Intel. We invite you to be part of our manufacturing team, which lies at the center of our company's incredible ambitions. Our manufacturing facilities build chips that are at the heart of nearly everything. Our products empower amazing innovations in artificial intelligence, healthcare, space exploration, and much, much more. We manufacture some of the most technologically sophisticated products on the planet with only 2 ingredients: sand and our unique knowledge which pushes the laws of physics to extreme limits. We change the world for the better with what we create and do every single day. At Intel, you will never stop learning and growing, never stop solving tough problems, and never stop making a difference. Intel is a global company with manufacturing sites all over the world. No matter the location, you will work in an inclusive environment alongside gifted teammates and friends. Together, you can grow your skills utilizing multi-million-dollar equipment and cutting-edge technologies. Start today and discover your role in our world-changing work.